What's up, cutie? Hey, 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 hey. There we go. So you just clip it on using here and it's through there. Like that. And then it goes on your noggin. Alright, let's see.
It's kind of hard to keep up with bikes and traffic. I don't know if any of y'all that drive with bikes and traffic know what that's like. It's pretty bad. You lose them sometimes you have to track them down. You'll find them eventually.
Yes, my guy's a vlogger. Bro, that sounds fire, bro. I gave a lot of... Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Josiah. We're out here today with Edgar, and we got Aaliyah on a nice night ride. Edgar got a head mount so he can start recording YouTube videos in his car. Damn! What's up, cutie? I'm pretty hyped for you to get it.
I know.
What? Hey, 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 hey. I think we need to be in the other lane. I don't know if he knows that. Yeah? Hey, I can block this car off right here so you can get in. Yeah. Okay? I'm gonna go right here. Go ahead, Deez. I'm right here. Who, that white car? He was on my... My legs are cold. Well, damn.
How'd it feel?
How would it feel being on the bike?
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice, of course.
Hey, you're bigger than me.
Big guy.
Am I good? There we go. So you just clip it on using here and it's through there. Well, let's just see. So it'll be like this. Like that. And then it goes on your noggin. You might...
There we go.
This is it right here. This is quality TV. Can you see, or is it totally blocking your field of view?
I barely see it.
That's a W. And then hook this to your shirt. You see what I'm saying? It's like this. Or to your coat. Maybe under your beard. Your beard will probably protect from the wind too, honestly. There we go. Oh, that looks dope with the red. Let's see.
It's kind of hard to keep up with bikes and traffic. I don't know if any of y'all that drive with bikes and traffic know what that's like. It's pretty bad. You lose them sometimes you have to track them down. You'll find them eventually. Little third gear pull 3K right here.
It looks good. It's just dark. Yes, my guy's a vlogger. Bro, that sounds fire, bro. I gave a lot of... That sounds good. I wonder what it sounds like if you take it off and literally hold it out the window. It might sound fire.
Put it like next to the taillight.
Bro.
Might max it out.
It might though. His car's clean though. Yes, sir. Aaliyah's bike. Aaliyah's bike looks so bad. Bro. Oh my goodness. You got it?
Yeah.
Valid. Bro, you can see everything. It looks good. Yeah, bro, that's fire. Ah! You gotta send me the clips later though. It's only 8 p.m. Look how it looks like it's midnight. Sprinkle in a little bit. That sucks that it's raining. Or sprinkling. It's not that bad though. Man, rain sucks. Peace out, Edgar. Nice video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, like it, and go check out the other videos. There's a bunch more of us and Edgar riding on the channel. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.